AJ the Gamer Guy, back with another gaming tutorial. We have Tupac, and we're going to pick up our tow truck today. Nice day outside. Hey, what's going on out here? Getting this nice thing right here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hold it down, Pop. Excuse me, lady. Watch my house for me until I sell it and stay in this neighborhood. Terrible. Me and a Mr. Organic whip. Oh, and got some juice to it too. Tell you that much. Oh, moving this boy. We ain't trying to get in no tickets or nothing. What the heck? It's a video game, so fly past the house. Wow. Yeah. I apologize for my mic. I'm sorry. Having some technical difficulties at the time. But yeah, I like this car. So we're going to pick up our tow truck. I'm happy. I got this from a friend of mine. They hooked it up. Got some nice rims on it. Supposed to be very nice. I'm, I'm, I'm geeked. I'm super geeked to get to this tow truck. So it's supposed to be very nice. It's not a flatbed. Oh, it's a one car pull. So I mean, hey, that's what I like. I mean, I didn't like the flatbeds because they didn't bring what I wanted. Like, I didn't like them. Yeah, come on, guys, speed it up. What's going on? Hey, slow down, Tupac. Slow down. Okay, see the rap. Y'all see the rap. See the motorsport. The bachi. The wachi. High fruit on top. Yeah, we do this, man. Oh, there it is. That thing is nice. Whoa. The thing is right. Wow. This is something else, guys. Hit that like button, subscribe. Hit that comment section below, man. Tell me what y'all think about this, man. It's F550, man. Tow truck done by my friend of mine's, man. Whoa. Big 30-inch 4G autos. I know y'all thought I was playing. F550 Super Duty V8 Power Stroke. That boy's ready. Super Duty. Yeah, I like this. Yeah, I like this. Okay, let's see how this bad boy ride. Oh, okay. We got the C4 in there. See, I mean CB. Man, okay. Oh, this thing is nice. I'm gonna have to tow this car back to the house. What you guys think? Hit that like button, subscribe, so you never miss a video from JJ, the car guy. I'm gonna have to put this one up there. Yeah, this is nice. I like this. This is slick. This is slick. Maybe I should get it from the back. Whoa, this thing is nice. Wow. Yeah, I tow it back to the house. Whoa. Uh-oh. Hey, don't hit my car. Whoa. Oh, 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 whoa, 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 whoa. Out the way. Fool. Wrong with you, dummy? Man, wrong with him, y'all. Trying to test out my new tow truck, man. I know that. Whoa, this thing is beautiful. Nice. Got some power to it, too. I feel it. Ooh, wee. This is a bad mother. Shut your mouth. Why? This is nice. This is nice. Hit that comment section below, man, if y'all think this truck is badass. This is nice. This is nice. Burn rubber with that on the back of that boy. Whoa. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay. Hey, 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 hey. Tripping, man. Whoa. Okay, got this back right here. All right. Well, I really want to bag it up a little more. Well, I'll leave it on the street. I do. I'll leave it on the street. Hit that comment section below, man. Y'all like this truck. Oh, all right, guys. I'm back at the house. Picked up my brand new tow truck. Kind of like it. Excuse me. I love it. Oh, kind of like it. This truck is, man. Whoa, look at this thing. Big boy. Yeah, friend of mine did this for me. Got him all ready for me. He's ready to tow. As you see, he towed that bad baby here without a scratch on it. Yep. All right, guys, hit that.